Hello children, welcome to Gokulam. This is for first grade students, English grammar. Today we will learn this and that. This and that are used with one person, place or thing. This and that are always used with singular words. This is a kite, that is the sun. This is a book, that is an aeroplane. This is a trumpet, that is a bird. This is an umbrella, that is a tree. This shows us nearer singular object, that is shows us distant singular object. This shows us nearer singular object, that shows us distant singular object. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.